Hello. I got a problem of Bash. When Bash upgraded its version from version 4 to version 5, Bash 5. The problem is this one. We know that we have some shell function dirs. You can see we get we can use dirs and push D and pop D. This let us change directory easily. Let's push D and okay, we push the current directory is root temp directory at root. Then we change to the directory before and push it again. Now we can see we get some directories pushed into the stack. Well, I have a small utility. It's here. Basically, it's to make the using dirs push D and pop D a little bit easier. Let's see what happened with the Bash version 4. Okay, let's see if we can get Bash version 4. Okay, we get this server. Let's SSH to this server 43221. Can we get it? Wow. Okay, let's give it a password. Show me. Okay, we got to the server. You can see the server. The server's name is cross240, and when we found the problem, it's here. This is version 5. You can see this is version 5, and let's see, this is version 4. So let me show you how I use the function, the bash function here. Okay, you can see it function. Okay, it means I add the current directory to the stack. And let's add this to the, so I use a single letter D as DRS-V. It gives me the list of the directory in the stack. And then if I want to change my directory to the third, okay, I don't want to type too much, I use D3. Then you can see we change to the D3. It's bin, and I use this bash function to do the things. It's very simple. If it check there is parameter $1, then if there is no this parameter, it will list out the directory with this command and return. Then if it found a dot, a single dot, then it will push D. It will use push D. Else, it will use the same push D to jump to another directory. Okay. But it didn't happen with the bash 5. I don't know what happened. The push D worked like this way. Okay. This is version 5, and if we use D, I already changed it. I believe there must be some problem about how the shell get run, and if it add up a subshell, or how the variables get substituted is different from version 5 to version 4. But anyway, I didn't solve this problem. I tried to rewrite this function, but failed to make it working. So I just put it exit before the right thing gets run. Okay. This shows I used bash for quite a few years, but still there are many details I don't know. The bash is actually a big program, and it has a lot of things. It's by itself is a kind of programming language. It has variable. There is a tutorial, but I failed to solve my problem after reading this tutorial. It's Rian's tutorial. Still, I didn't find what's wrong with my script. It can work with bash 4, but it cannot work with bash 5. You can see the purpose is to make jumping between directory a little bit easier. For example, if we want to jump to the number 2 or number 3, we just D2, we jump to it. And how can you know which one is you're going to jump to? You use D, show you a list of directory and its index number. Then you use, for example, we want to jump to the 3, the bin, and because if we are working with it, we have a little bit of memory that which one we just worked. We add a directory, current directory, and then you can see if we want to jump to the number 5, for example, we just D5, then we got to this directory. So it make jumping between directory very easy. But maybe some days later, if I have time, I would like to modify the script and make it work with the bash version 5. Anyone, if you have some hints, please let me know. Thank you. Thank you.